Hey everyone, it's Brad here. Now in today's lesson, we're going to learn a simplified chord version of Fairytale of New York by the Pogues. We're going to work through verse 1, 2, 3, 4 and then the hook section. Once you've learned those sections, you've actually got most of what you need for the whole song because the chord ideas just repeat. Now, before we start, I've also made a full downloadable chord chart PDF to accompany this lesson. It's got all the chords and every section of the song laid out for you. And you can download that inside Brad's Banjo Club. Just check out the link in the description below. There's currently a 7-day free trial. And you get access to the community, all the lesson resources, and also a live banjo lesson with me every week. Now, let's get started. Now, the first chord we need is our D chord. That's open D, open A, and then fret 2 on the E string. Next up, we've got an A chord. That's fret 2 on the D, fret 4 on the A, and then fret 5 on the E. We'll have a G. That's open G, open D, fret 2 on the A, fret 3 on the E. And then a B minor chord. That's open D, fret 2 on the A, and then fret 2 on the E. So just quickly run through them again. That was D, A, G, and B minor. Now, if you've got them chords, great. Let's move on. If not, just pause the video here. Spend a little time just making sure you got them down. So we're going to move on to verse number 1. Now, the idea as we work through the songs, I'm just going to bring the chords up on screen. I'm going to play through each section very slowly, just with the chords on screen so that you can play along with me. We're going to start off on the D chord here. So if you get that one ready, and I'm going to just play and just sort of sing the lyrics as well so you get the idea. Here we go. So our D chord first. It was Christmas Eve, babe, in the drunk tank. An old man said to me, won't see another one. And then he sang a song, the rare old Mountain Dew. I turned my face away, dreamed about you. So that's verse 1, very simple. It's just got the D, the G and the A chord in there. Just work on that. Pause the video here if you need to practice that first. If not, we're going to move on to verse 2. So verse 2, same order of chords as verse 1, same sort of speed. So it's nice and simple. Again, we're starting on that D chord. So if you get that one ready, here we go. Got on a lucky one, came in 18 to 1. I got a feeling this year's for me and you. It's a happy Christmas. I love you, baby. I can see a better time. All our dreams come true. So again, verse 2, very similar to verse 1, nice and simple. Okay, so let's move on. Now, verse 3, this is where the song speeds up. It gets a little bit more tricky here, so you really have to pay attention to them chord changes. We're going to use all the chords that we've learned for this song, so we're going to have the B minor in there as well this time. So D, A, G, and there's also a B minor in there. So yeah, just get them chords ready. Let's start on the D. I am going to play this very slowly, but with the original, and if you're playing along with the Pogues version, it's very fast. I'm going to keep it super slow so that we can all stick together. So it starts on that D chord. They got cars big as bars, they got rivers of gold, but the wind goes right through you's no place for the old. When you first took my hand on a cold Christmas Eve, you promised me Broadway was waiting for me. Now, the original is like 10 times faster than that. I've just played it really slowly so that everyone can keep up. Just work your way through that and then just speed it up eventually. Okay, we're going to move on to verse 4. Again, very similar in terms of speed to verse 3. We're just dropping the B minor. We don't need that in this section. So again, really, really quick. So let's get ready on that D. Again, I'm going to keep it nice and slow. Here we go. Here's that D. You're handsome, you're pretty, queen of New York City. When the band finished playing, they held out for more. Sinatra was swinging, all the drunks they were singing. We kissed on the corner and danced through the night. So again, I've just kept that nice and slow. Just practice that first. Again, the original's a lot quicker. So if you got verse 4, we're going to move on now to the hook. Now the hook, a little bit easier. We are using all the chords G, A, D and B minor. Starts off on that G chord. Again, same thing, just play along with me. So if you grab that G, here we go. And the boys of the NYPD choir were singing Go Away Babe, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. So again, nice and simple, that hook section. So we've covered verse 1, 2, 3, 4 and also the hook section. Now, was actually, you've done most of the work now. So after this point, it moves to verse 5, then we're back to the hook, followed by verse 6, and then the hook again. Now the chord ideas we've already covered repeat. So rather than making the lesson unnecessarily long, we're gonna, you can go through the same progression just in your own time with the song. Now, if you're struggling with keeping up with the chord changes, don't worry about trying to add any complicated strumming. We don't want to add any extra strumming or anything like that. Keep it super simple, single strum. You know, it's a sing-along song, so being able to keep the chords moving in time is much more important than trying to make the accompaniment sound overly complicated. Okay, so there we go. That's a simplified chord version of Fairytale of New York. Remember, if you want to play through the entire song, I've made a full downloadable chord chart. All the chords and all the sections laid out in order. That's available from Brad's Banjo Club, and there's currently a 7-day free trial. You also get access to the community, my lesson resources, and a live banjo lesson with me every week. You'll find a link in the description below. Now, if you've enjoyed the lesson, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what song you'd like me to do next, or if it's a tune, a reel, or a jig. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next one.